In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect an existing domain to your Shopify store. This guide will help you seamlessly integrate your domain so your online store is up and running with your preferred web address. First off, you'll want to start by going to the Shopify admin homepage. This is where you can access all the tools that Shopify offers for managing your store. Log into your account, and you should find yourself on the dashboard. From the dashboard, you'll notice a range of options on the sidebar. One of these is the all-important Settings button, which is your next stop. Go ahead and click on Settings. Now, once you're in the Settings menu, you'll see a variety of tabs designed to modify and tweak different parts of your store. You're looking for the Domains tab. Click on Domains. This will take you to the Domain Management section of Shopify. This is where we'll be focusing our attention today. Here in the Domains section, you have the ability to connect a domain that you already own to your Shopify store. This is particularly useful if you've purchased your domain name from a third-party provider and want to use it for your Shopify store. To begin the connection process, you'll want to select Connect Existing Domain. This choice ensures the domain you previously acquired is associated with your Shopify store. Next, you'll be tasked with a few steps to verify your domain ownership. Typically, this entails adding Shopify's details to the DNS settings with your domain provider. Most domain providers offer guidance on how to modify DNS settings, but throughout this step, patience is key, as DNS changes can take up to 48 hours to fully propagate. However, don't worry, it usually happens much quicker. Once you've diligently followed the required steps and you're confident your settings are correct, it's time to click on Next. This will begin the process of linking your domain with Shopify. During this phase, Shopify will automatically attempt to verify your domain, ensuring the details have been correctly inputted. If there are any issues, Shopify will prompt what needs correction. And just like that, once verification is successful, your domain will be linked to your Shopify store. Your customers will now be seamlessly directed to your store using your customized domain. Remember to review your store's settings to ensure everything is as you want it, such as ensuring your domain is set as the primary one. So, there you have it. Your existing domain is now successfully connected to Shopify. Congratulations on taking this step to personalize your store's web address. Thank you for watching this guide. And I hope you found it straightforward and helpful. See you next time.